welcome back to my channel with a brand new video. So as you heard the title, today I am going to tell you about few college essentials that you must have before entering your college life. So first of all, I must congratulate you all whosoever just completed their school life or in the college already, that finally you are exiting your teenage and entering an adult life after your school. So first of all, the college life that you have dreamed of is now going to start with a really high pump. So let me tell you something. There is going to be a lot of up and downs in your life once you are going to enter your college. So here I am to guide you with few college essentials that you must have before entering your college. So first of all, let's start with the study essentials. If you are a nerd person, so let's start with that. First of all, you should carry a school college bag. That is, either you can go with a school bag that you usually use in your school, a backpack like this, which I usually use for myself also, or you can go with a tote bag or a heavy value tote bag that usually people use in the college, or a purse even if you are a girl. I personally don't use a tote bag because मेरे सारा सामान उसमें नहीं आएगा and I don't feel comfortable with a tote bag itself. I use a backpack for myself, so I prefer you to go with a backpack. In your starting days of the college, get around the environment of your own college, then buy a new pack if you want. So first of all that I carry in my bag is this diary. This is a basic black diary which contains my daily notes, all the needs, all the deeds I need to complete in my day. I write each and everything, my work, my upcoming work, or the things I usually forget about. So you should keep a diary in your bag, which is your own essential. Secondly, you should carry an extra notebook. This is an extra notebook to keep my notes, the notes which teacher provide. So these are few of my notes. I do write my notes in my rough notebook. I am in a second year of my college, that is Hansraj College DU. So this is my rough notebook. I usually carry each and every notes in this notebook from each and every teacher I study. Afterwards, moving on, you should carry a laptop. If you don't have a laptop or you don't have a budget of buying a new laptop, it's okay, it's totally fine. You don't have to buy a new laptop just because you are entering a college life. It's okay if you want, if you have the budget, go for a laptop. If you don't have a budget, no need. But I still prefer you to have a tab. Actually, I have this tablet with me almost every time in my college, because you never know when the teacher is going to ask to submit your PDF, your PPT, and there are few platforms which do not work on my mobile phone, so I need to carry a tablet or a laptop with myself. I do carry this tab with my bag each and every time in the college. So if you have your budget, you can get a laptop minimum for 15,000 around, or even low for that if available. Personally, I got this laptop for 15,000. So I guess this is a really nice deal for me. I got it earlier when I was just about to enter my college years. So I bought this laptop earlier. So these are three things I do carry in my backpack each and every time. Going up to the next, you should carry a water bottle with you. I do carry this type of water bottle or a bigger one. If you are a more Gen Z person, carry a tumbler too if you want to. This is my tumbler. Actually, I usually don't keep a tumbler in my backpack. It do not fit perfectly. Thirdly, moving on, I have this pouch. This is a mini life-saving kit. It have all my money and all the essentials. First of all, I keep my cash in it. It's really important to keep your cash secretly in your pockets of your backpack, the little pocket, and you should be कॉन्शियस इनफ कि आपका जो मनी है वो स्कैटर्ड रहे. अगर आपको 20 रुपए ऑटो वाले को देने हैं तो वो अलग रखो, पहले ही निकाल के रखो. यू नेवर नो व्हेन यू आर गेटिंग अ ब्रिक पॉकेट अराउंड यू. नेक्स्ट आई हैव दिस lip shiner, lip care, Himalaya lip balm. It's a little bit of tinted, so it's really nice for my skin tone. I keep it with myself. Then I have this rubber band का pouch. इसमें बहुत सारी प्लास्टिक की rubber bands हैं. If you ever require to make a hairstyle on the go. Then I have a bunch of safety pin. If you are a girl, you should keep a safety pin. Not even for a girl. If you are a boy, you never know when your pants pocket or your pants button is going to unbutton. And क्या पता वो आपको कब धोखा दे दे. You should keep this type of safety pin in your pouch. Then on the go, I have these hairpins for my hairs. I do keep these hairpins with me each and every time. I keep each and everything in this mini pocket pouch. This is really easy to carry and hide anywhere I want to. Going on to the next, I have the bigger pouch. This one carries my stationery. It have each and everything each and every person requires. 2 pen, scales, rubber band, highlighter, whitener, each and everything in it. You should carry a stationery pouch with you in your college. Doesn't mean if you are a Gen Z and you have a tab, you have a pencil, or you have a tab pencil, you are using an Apple tab, iPad, whatever. Just carry a stationery pouch with you, a really essential thing. Moving on, next I do keep these 2 hair combs in my bag daily. I usually require them on the daily basis because sometimes your classes in your college may have a break around 2 to 3 hours also, that you are going to college 8:30 in the morning and next class starts at 12. Then you may need to look presentable. देखो, college is not your school कि आप सुबह सुबह जा रहे हो, शाम तक झल्ले बन के वापस आ जाओगे. No. College gives you that freedom to go and have your priorities. You should look enough presentable in front of your college professors, with your college students, and with each and every person you find on the go. That's why you should keep your own professional things like hair combs, makeup products, or little bit of your personal hygiene things with you on the go each and every time. Now you are on the phase to enter, or just about to enter, your adult life after you're 18 or 19. So be conscious enough about your own self. Up next, I do keep some sheets in my bags. You never know when your professor asks for you to submit an assignment, or you just forget about an assignment and you have to submit it on the last date. So you should keep such sheets with you. I have this double-sided rule sheet, which are A4, and the other pack of sheets, which is a smaller one. So I do keep these 2 with me each and every time I went to the college. Afterwards, because I travel via metro, I have a metro ID card with me each and every time. You can never go off in a metro without your card, I guess. Then I have my college ID for the proof. We have to enter with our college ID. So here is my college ID with this travel pass. On the go, do not forget your college documents. I do keep my college documents in my bag. जब मेरा कॉलेज का पहला दिन था, I was not aware that I have to bring the admission slip with me. So I was not allowed to enter the college until and unless I searched about the photocopy stationery around the college, and then I got myself that admission card, and then I was able to enter the college. अगर आप कॉलेज में जा रहे हो, आपको नहीं पता है कि पहले दिन कैसे एंट्री होगी, प्लीज़ आप थोड़ा अपने आसपास के लोगों से पूछ के जाना, अपने कॉलेज के सीनियर्स को अप्रोच करना, या फिर कॉलेज की वेबसाइट पे पूछना कि एंट्री कैसे होती है. मेरे को तो उन्होंने एंट्री दे दी थी क्योंकि मैंने वहाँ पे आसपास फोटोकॉपी की दुकान ढूंढी थी. एंड देन आई गॉट माई सेल्फ द एडमिशन स्लिप विच आई वॉज प्रोवाइडेड ऑन द वेबसाइट ओनली. आफ्टरवर्ड्स जो गेट कीपर होते हैं उन्होंने मेरे को एंटर करने दिया. ऐसी मैं अकेली नहीं थी, ऐसे बहुत सारे हो जाते हैं, बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं जिनको नहीं पता होता है. सो बी अवेयर ऑफ इट. सो आई डू कीप माई कॉलेज पास. दिस इज माई सेमेस्टर एग्जाम की रजिस्ट्रेशन कॉपी. सो दिस इज माई सेमेस्टर एग्जाम की रजिस्ट्रेशन फीस की कॉपी, जो भी आप बोलो. एंड दिस इज माई CUET स्कोर कार्ड. आई डू कीप ईच एंड एवरीथिंग इन माई बैग बिकॉज यू नेवर नो व्हेन यू नीड इट. You should keep the soft copy of all your documents in your phone also. Moving on to some fashion advices. If you are a school student unaware of what is happening around, what is the fashion industry going with, it's okay. Be normal, be natural the way you are, be presentable, and go to your college be conscious enough about the college environment, and then get on to the fashion industry, whatever passes on by. And most importantly, you should wear flats in your daily college life, because college campus बहुत बड़ा होता है और कभी कभार क्या होता है, आपकी मॉर्निंग की जो क्लास होती है वो 8 बजे लग रही है और जो नेक्स्ट क्लास है वो डायरेक्ट 12 बजे लग रही है. एंड दिस इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी योर स्कूल कि लेट क्लास है, क्लास में बैठे हो, घूम रहे हो. नो, you won't be allowed to sit in your classes anymore. So you have to leave that classroom for the next class to come and have their teacher with them. जब तक आपकी क्लास नहीं होती है, आपको अपने कॉलेज कैंपस में कहीं ना कहीं अपनी घूमना पड़ता है या फिर कहीं बैठ जाओ. जैसे मैं HRC में हूँ, सो आई नीड टू आइदर सिट एट द कैंटीन एरिया या LP या किसी ग्राउंड में जाके बैठ जाओ. सो यू नीड टू वियर फ्लैट्स. I personally wear the sports shoes that are the most comfortable. और कई बार ना आपका जो वॉकिंग काउंट होता है वो बहुत ज़्यादा चला जाता है. सो फॉर द योर ओन comfortable need you should wear flats in a college. For your clothing you can wear tunic tops, tank tops. If you are comfortable, wear crop tops, your daily jeans, your kurti, short kurti, whatever you feel comfortable that looks presentable enough to present you in front of a community or thousands of people. क्योंकि जब आप कॉलेज में जाते हो ना, you get exposure from each and every type of person. You get your time to make your personality, to build in your character. तो कॉलेज एक बहुत ही वैसी प्लेस है जहाँ पे आपको अपने लिए पर्सनालिटी, कैरेक्टर, आपकी जो अपनी ब्रेन कैपेसिटी है, सब कुछ यूज़ करने का मौका मिलेगा. आपको सब कुछ एक्सप्रेस करने का मौका मिलेगा. सो बी द पर्सन यू वॉन्ट टू बी in your life. The college is that place. सब कुछ एक्सपीरियंस करो, सब कुछ करो. Be enough presentable. That being a DU student itself, मैंने DU की लाइफ देखी है. It is that life which each and every college student actually dreams of. ठीक है, वहाँ पे फेस्ट भी होते हैं, सारे तरीके की कम्युनिटीज होती हैं. आपको जो भी डांस में जाना है डांस में जाओ, सिंगिंग में जाना है सिंगिंग में जाओ, फोटोग्राफी, घूमना है, जहाँ जाना है जाओ, जो करना है वो करो, पढ़ाई करनी है पढ़ाई करो, मस्ती करनी है मस्ती करो. बट when it comes to negative influences, this is not less than if you are going to another world. The negative influences are also going to affect your life, but don't let those negative influences get into your life and affect your personal life too. किसी भी गलत चीज़ में मत पड़ना. ड्रग्स या फिर ड्रिंकिंग ऑन द डेली बेसिस, वेपिंग, और भी बड़ी बड़ी काफ़ी चीज़ें होती है जो कॉलेज में जाके आपको देखनी पड़ती हैं. बट नेवर गेट इन टू दोज बैड इन्फ्लुएंसेस. आप माइंड में सोच के चलना कि आप ना जिसके बच्चे हो, जिनकी परवरिश लेके आए हो, वो अपने माइंड में रखना. कॉलेज है, वो कॉलेज लाइफ है, इट्स रियली नाइस. बट आप जो एक्सप्लोर करना चाहते हो आप करो, आपको कोई मना भी नहीं करेगा क्योंकि अब आपकी लाइफ है. नाउ यू आर 18+, यू आर एंटरिंग द कॉलेज. नाउ इट्स योर ओन लाइफ, लिव इट योर ओन वे. बट बी इनफ कॉन्शियस कि कौन क्या कर रहा है, कौन कैसे चल रहा है, तुम क्या कर रहे हो, तुम्हारे आसपास क्या हो रहा है, तुम किस चीज़ में जा रहे हो. डोंट गेट इनटू बैड थिंग्स. कुछ चीज़ें तो ऐसी होती हैं जो आप बोल भी नहीं सकते हो. व्हेन यू गेट इनटू योर कॉलेज यू विल गेट टू नो ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. बट स्टेट, द मेंटल स्टेट मैटर्स. डोंट गेट इनटू बैड इन्फ्लुएंसेस, नेवर. आपको कॉलेज में जाकर 100 तरीके के लोग मिलने वाले हैं. अच्छा बुरा, बहुत अच्छा बहुत बुरा, बहुत नीच, बहुत घमंडी, सब तरीके के लोग आपको मिलने वाले हैं. बट डोंट गेट इनटू बैड इन्फ्लुएंसेस. इट्स रियली इम्पॉर्टेंट. That was my video. I hope you enjoyed. थोड़ा सा ज्ञान एक्स्ट्रा, but I hope you enjoyed. जो भी चीज़ें रह गई हैं I will cover it into the next part. Do subscribe for the more latest videos on my channel, and you can follow me on Instagram also if you have your Instagram ID. My Instagram ID is mentioned in the YouTube video itself. You can go on and check it out and follow me on Instagram also. Thank you. Bye bye.